Want to optimize your lead generation process and drive higher quality prospects with Apollo.io? In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'm going to show you how to harness the power of this all-in-one sales intelligence platform and boost your lead generation efforts, whether you're a marketer or a sales professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Apollo.io to get more qualified leads, streamline your outreach, and build smarter sales strategies. First off, Apollo.io is a powerful tool that provides you with access to a massive database of over 200 million contacts and company profiles. This means you can target your ideal prospects with precision. From startups to enterprise-level businesses, Apollo.io has the data to help you build a robust lead generation pipeline. And the best part? You can get started for free through the link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses that'll give you even more value when you sign up. One of the key features that Apollo.io excels at is its advanced filtering and segmentation tools. You can filter your search by factors like job title, industry, company size, location, and even technologies used. This gives you the ability to hyper-target your ideal customers and increase your chances of a successful outreach. You can also save these searches to ensure you're constantly finding new leads who fit your ideal buyer persona. But it's not just about finding leads. Apollo.io also offers a suite of tools to help you engage and convert those leads. The email sequencing feature allows you to create personalized email campaigns that nurture your leads through automated follow-ups. This ensures you're staying top of mind with prospects without overwhelming your inbox. You can also track opens, clicks, and replies, so you know exactly what's working and what isn't. Another powerful tool is Apollo.io's built-in CRM, which allows you to track interactions, set reminders for follow-ups, and keep all your lead data in one place. This seamless integration between lead generation and customer relationship management makes Apollo.io a one-stop shop for your sales pipeline. You'll never have to jump between multiple platforms again. For those of you who are already using Apollo.io, did you know that you can integrate it with popular CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive? This means you can sync your leads directly into your CRM and keep all your data up to date, which makes managing your pipeline even more efficient. Now, let's talk about pricing. Apollo.io offers flexible pricing plans that cater to teams of all sizes. You can start with their free plan to explore the features. And if you're ready to scale, you can easily upgrade to unlock even more powerful tools, like advanced analytics and custom reporting. But here's the best part. If you sign up through the link below, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses to maximize your lead generation efforts. I can't recommend this enough for anyone serious about growing their sales pipeline. So, whether you're just starting with Apollo.io or looking to maximize its potential, remember that you have a free trial waiting for you. Don't forget to check the link below to take advantage of the extended trial and get those exclusive bonuses. Optimize your lead generation with Apollo.io today and start seeing real results.